Do you want to know how you can get paid to read news with the NewsPay app and if it's really worth it? Then this video is for you. My name's Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have recently asked me about this app, so I decided to take a closer look, and in this NewsPay app review I'll give you an inside look, show both the pros and the cons, so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join. First, I just want to remind you that if you're not aware yet, then I do have a Telegram channel I just recently launched also, where you can join for free and also get exclusive small tips and tricks to earn daily. I'll also leave a link to that below so you can also check that out. But back to NewsPay, and you can join it from basically all countries from what I've been able to see and find out. You can just go to Google Play, and if you find it there, it is available in your country. It is, however, only available for Android devices, so if you have an iOS device you cannot use it. Then I have a video about different ways you can use an iOS device instead. I will leave a link in the top corner to that. But let me now log in and then we can take a closer look to find out if it's really worth it. So I have now logged into NewsPay, and you can see it does look a little bit like a news website. You can just scroll around here. You can even at the top look for specific categories. But how it works is that you can actually earn by opening one of these articles. So I can just choose, let me just take a random article. I just take this one and click it, and then you can see at the top here, it kind of is a counter there. So I can just scroll up and down or whatever here, and then I just need to wait for that one there to move, and when it then gets to the next dollar sign there, you don't actually have to read it as such. You can just be here on the side and scroll it once in a while. Then you can see, then you need to watch an ad, because if not, you will not earn these tokens. We'll talk about the value of these tokens a little bit later. So either I can just continue reading, but then I won't earn. But if I click claim offer, then I will have to watch an ad. So I'll just do that so you can see that I actually earn. So then I just need to watch it. Many of the ads here are very spammy with exaggerated earning claims. So be careful believing the ads, just a little side note. But I'll just be right back when the ad is over. So the ad, is now over, and you can see then it just popped up and said I need to read for another 40 seconds. So then I just need to keep scrolling there, and so it just keeps moving, and then I can keep earning. But the thing is, it doesn't say how much I've actually earned. It seems like a random number that you earn, and it will just be added to your account. So I don't even know while I'm here. You see again, now it pops up, and I need to watch another ad there. So I don't like that. There's a little bit of lack of transparency. How much will you actually earn? But I'll just claim this here and then close it down again. Then we go back and look into what has actually been added to my account. So now the ad finished, and I'm back here, and I can't even see my earnings here. You would have to go to the wallet there, but I can see, we'll go over the wallet when we talk about the payout option in just a bit. But I can see for this here, it earned me, not even 200 tokens there. So we'll talk about the value of that a little bit later. But it does seem like a random number of coins you can earn, but it is quite easy, as you can see. Whether it's then worth it or not, we'll talk about that when we look at the value of the points, the payout option, all of that. But let's also just go over some other ways you can earn in here. So if you jump to this task section, then here you can also see the current number of golds I have here. There is a check-in option, so you can just check in daily and you can get some coins for that. Of course, again, you have to watch an ad when you do that. There's other tasks here. Again, you can claim, and then you have to watch ads here. You can see you can take some service offers. I would say the service and offers, there are so many other platforms that pay way more for the same offers and service. That's not really what this app is specialized in, so not something that I would do. But you see there's some daily tasks also, all these different small ones. So if you end up really liking it, then you can also do this. You can also see, you can also watch video ads, but that's basically what you have to do anyways when you're reading. It's the video ads you're forced to watch here. So you can see these options are there, but all of them do pay a fairly low amount. It might look like a lot because you think like, oh, 150 points, that looks quite nice. Yeah, but of course that comes down to the value of the points. And speaking of that, let's move to how you can get paid, so then you can also see the exact value of the points. So I'll now jump to the wallet where you can see your payout options, and this might vary depending on the country you live in. You know, if you live in a country where there are other options or the payout thresholds, because sometimes that also varies, then feel free to share in a comment below. But as you can see, there is PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Amazon gift card, and Google gift cards where I live anyways. You can see the payout threshold. For some of them is like only $1. For Litecoin, it's 50 cents. And for PayPal, it is only 5 cents there. So very low payout threshold. But as you can also see, 5 cents, for example, is 5,000 points. So when you then earn 100 for an ad here and there, you know, it takes a lot of time. And you can see to earn $1, you would need to earn 100,000 coins. And that's the same if it's 100,000 coins you want Bitcoin, it's $1 worth of Bitcoin. So you can see that when you earn, yes, you can maybe earn 100 coins for an ad here and there, small tasks and things like that. But it still means that you would need to do like 1,000 tasks or something like that to even just earn $1. So it will take you hours of annoying tasks, in my opinion, because, you know, these ads are just really annoying to be honest. And the service and the offers here, yeah, they will pay more, they will make it easier for you to reach the payout threshold, but there's just so many other apps and websites that pay more for the exact same offers and surveys. So overall, definitely not a very effective way to earn. So to sum it all up, NewsPay can be a way to read news and get paid, or more specifically, you will actually have to watch ads to earn, and the ads are quite annoying, spammy in my personal opinion. And overall, the earning potential is just not very big. You have to spend hours and hours to earn just a tiny bit of money there. You can say like, oh well, on Google Play, why is it almost 5 stars reviews? It has 4.7. Well, inside the app there is a task where you can also earn some coins by giving a 5-star review. That kind of explains that also. And some people, they're not, you know, critical. They'll just do whatever to get a little bit of points. But this is based on my personal experience and opinion. I've tested hundreds of different free online earning methods. Yes, you can earn here. It is easy, but it's definitely not effective. And there are so many other apps and websites where you can earn more effectively, in my experience. So if you want to see some of my top recommended rewards apps, I do have a list of that on my website. I will leave a link to that below. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.